Welcome. In front of me is a Tecno Camon 18, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. To get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. But once you have your content open, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this sound. It also gives us, first time around, a pop-up letting us know that we can also capture a screenshot using a 3-finger swipe down. So that's cool. So you can see there's a screenshot, and after a moment it should just disappear. Now there's also a single option for sharing it. Now I'm gonna test the 3-finger screenshot. As you can see, pretty simple, captures it the same way. There's also a third way of capturing it by navigating into your toggles in the notification tray, and here you have a screenshot button, and again, same thing as before. Now once you have captured your screenshot, or screenshots as in multiple, you can find them all in your AI gallery. Need SD card access? No, we don't. Are you kidding me? Just don't display content from SD card. Simple as that. There we go. So from here we can navigate into album, and you can see we have screenshots album with 3 screenshots, which are all the ones that I have captured right now. So there we go. This is how you'd capture a screenshot on this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.